We did not have even money to last for 2 months, and suddenly you are panicky, you are out of ideas, you don't have enough money at the bank, plus you have very small team. Back then in 2016, we were a team of three people, and I clearly remember we had about 45,000 rupees in the bank, and that time even I was not paying myself some salary. So I clearly knew that we can only survive for 3 months. If we don't get business, we will not be able to outlast those 3 months. Okay, it's recording now. How are you guys? It's 12:10 a.m. Date 15th of April. Lockdown is announced for almost like 17 days ahead. Sorry, 19 more days. Okay, just to quickly introduce, my name is Vikas Goyal. I run a company called DGTG, and I have an office in Bangalore. Along with me, I have my colleagues who are also happening to be my business partners who run a famous channel called Business Bite. Prabdeep Singh and Utsav. Guys, are you online?
Yeah. So, hello everyone. I'm Prabdeep Singh. I'm an aspiring entrepreneur and a digital marketer. I've been working as a digital marketer since last 8 years, and we have just got together to start this journey of business by it.
Okay.
So, Utsav, are you there?
Yeah, Utsav among this side, and yeah, I'm Facebook ad expert, and yeah, we started this somehow to, in these negative times when we can thought कि हाँ, all the business or the entrepreneurs can come and talk about how their business are getting influenced and how we can keep supporting each other. So that's the
Yeah.
whole point in view to start this. Yeah.
Actually, let's keep it very open. Okay, this is not a formal podcast. You're not podcasters. You've never done this before, so pardon if you don't understand much of the things that we say. Okay, so I think more or less, I wouldn't say this is a negative times, because there are a lot of positive things that I want to see actually. And besides whatever I see in the news or whatever I read on the blogs, I want to believe, okay, whatever the IMFs or whatever the famous institutions saying about the economy, whatever it shapes up to be, I want to believe that this might turn out to be a turning point in human history or human business history. So the thing that we wanted to discuss was the fear. A lot of so the other day I was discussing with our team. You already know about it. What are the kind of things that you expect to happen in post lockdown is over across all countries. I don't know when that happens, but it will definitely happen. So what are the things that you might see a change in? And to anybody's surprise or whatever they may think, a lot of people said, okay, people will be afraid. People will have this fear of losing a job or catching the virus again, or economy or pandemic or whatever. So a lot of people talked about fear. So I thought maybe this is where you know our topic. This is what our topic could be: fear. So what do you think, Prabdeep?
Yeah, absolutely.
क्या fear है तेरा? What do you think you know will scare you the most post lockdown?
See, before starting off, मुझे नहीं पता ये हमारी जो कॉन्वर्सेशन हो रही है ये एक इंडिविजुअल सुनेगा या 1000 सुनेंगे या 1 लाख.
ये जो भी
बट
सुनेगा ये नेचुरल सुनेगा.
हाँ जी, बिल्कुल. और वैसे तो विकास भाई ने बता दी ये चीज, बट स्टिल मैं भी ऐड करना चाहूंगा कि वी नेवर कंपेयर आवर फर्स्ट चैप्टर टू समवन एल्स 20 चैप्टर. सो अगर कुछ मिस्टेक्स होते हैं तो प्लीज पार्डन अस. एंड या, वी मस्ट गो अहेड विद आवर टॉपिक व्हिच इज फियर. So these days, I won't talk about anyone else. I would like to talk about myself only. So अभी मेरे को क्या फियर है कि लाइक सबसे पहला तो यही फियर है कि हाँ, इसका कोई सॉल्यूशन कब निकलेगा, कैसे निकलेगा, हम इस पैंडेमिक से को कैसे ओवरकम करेंगे. कि हाँ, हम सब एक जो भी स्टेप्स होते हैं नेसेसरी सब उठा रहे हैं. आई एम अंडर लॉकडाउन एंड इट्स बीन लाइक 34 days. मैं तो होली से पहले ही लॉकडाउन हो गया था, आइसोलेट हो गया था, तब से ही बाहर नहीं निकला। तो फियर है सबको, अपने एक
Yeah,
लेवल
this
पे
is
फियर
one
है।
of the
और
things you rightly pointed out. I just wanted to, let everybody know that probably we are the first ones to, go under isolation and lockdown. I remember very clearly when I went to Mumbai on 3rd of March, and I was in Mumbai, and
yeah,
suddenly these things started showing up on the screens. So first 5 or 6 cases reported in Bangalore, and once we landed in Bangalore back on 6th of March, we suspended all the office activities that day. Okay, so practically speaking, we are under a lockdown for almost I think 45 days now. Yeah.
yeah, that was like an example of true leadership. Without even, you are not even present
Yeah, to
in
be
the
honest, it's not
office that
about
day.
leadership, it is about fear again. I feared, somebody can catch an infection, and we are not that big company to be able to control things as fast as possible. If you
So
talk
many
about it,
people are
this,
there.
yeah.
So many people are there who have shut down in their office by I guess 22nd March or 21st March.
Hmm.
Okay. So they have shut down their office after the government told them, pressurized them to
Yes,
please shut down.
yes.
Yeah, for
Yeah,
sure.
again, that's out of preemptive, that's a preemptive measure, but the preemptive measure come out of fear, right? The government's fear, it can spread fast. So sometimes what I also, sorry, Pradeep, you were saying something. Go ahead, please.
No, this was what I was saying. It is like a sign of true leadership. Without you are not present in the office. Also, like you can have like you might have taken the leaves by yourself, and आपने ऑफिस रन किया होता है एज इट इज, बट आप खुद घर पे रह सकते थे क्योंकि आप जैसे इंस्ट्रक्ट करते वैसा ही होना था वहाँ पर, राइट। बट आप क्योंकि एज अ मैंने स्टार्टिंग से ही देखा है कि आप टीम वर्क में बिलीव करते हो, कोई सेपरेटली नहीं रहते, टीम के साथ एकदम लाइक कहते हैं ना लाइक वाटर,
Hmm.
यूनिवर्सल सॉल्यूशन की तरह ट्रीट करते हैं अपने आप को, और सबके साथ ही मिक्सअप होकर वर्क करते हैं। ये हमारे ऑफिस का कल्चर है ही। तो
Hmm.
आपने वही ट्रू लीडरशिप का ही एग्जांपल था। रीजन कुछ भी हो, चाहे फियर हो या कुछ भी हो, तब तक तो ऐसा था ही नहीं इतना ज्यादा कुछ, मतलब कुछ भी नहीं था काइंड ऑफ। मैं नहीं मानता कि तब तक
I
शायद 50
came back
केसेस भी आए
from
होंगे।
home after that only.
हाँ, 50 केसेस भी नहीं आए थे। और मेरे को अभी भी याद है कि आई गेस इट वाज 5th और 6th ऑफ मार्च,
6 March.
एंड आपने
I think
अब
3 days out
इंस्टेंटली
of it.
अनाउंस कर दिया था। हाँ जी, आपने इंस्टेंटली अनाउंस कर दिया था कि ठीक है कल से नहीं आना, टेक वर्क फ्रॉम होम।
Hmm.
और लिटरली हमें नहीं पता, एग्जैक्ट फिगर्स तो हमें नहीं पता लग सकते, लेकिन लिटरली हम टॉप लाइक इनिशियल लॉकडाउन करने वाले, इनिशियल वर्क फ्रॉम होम करने वाले पूरे बैंगलोर में हो सकता है अंडर 100 ही हम हो, सबसे पहले करने वाले टॉप 100 में हमारा नाम जरूर होगा, ये कंफर्म है।
But what do you think? What does this mean to you? Matlab, how do you think your life is changing? After this, what do you think could be your biggest fear post this lockdown? What could be your biggest, what will you be afraid of the most?
पोस्ट लॉकडाउन आई कांट से कि मेरे को पोस्ट लॉकडाउन क्या होगा उस चीज का बिल्कुल फियर नहीं है, टू बी वेरी ऑनेस्ट कुछ भी फियर नहीं है। इतना पूरा कॉन्फिडेंस है कि मैं वापस खड़ा हो जाऊंगा और जैसा हमारा चल रहा है सब अच्छा हो जाएगा। बट मेरे को जो फियर है, क्योंकि वो लॉजिकल फियर है, फियर में ठीक है फियर एक चीज है, बट जब तक वो लॉजिकल है वो फियर नहीं है, ठीक है। दैट इज काइंड ऑफ लाइक एक बोलता है प्रिकॉशन हो जाता है वो चीज, ठीक है,
Mm-hmm.
तो लॉजिकल है। तो मेरे को डर सिर्फ ये है कि अब ये कैसे इरेडिकेट होगा। मेरे हाथ में मेरा खुद का है, लाइक मेरी फैमिली है, मेरे 10-20 लोग हैं, नोन्स हैं, ये जिन्हें भी मैं जानता हूँ उन्हें मैं इन्फ्लुएंस कर सकता हूँ कि नहीं यार घर पे रहना है।
Mm-hmm.
हमारे प्राइम मिनिस्टर आते हैं बोलते हैं कि नहीं यार घर पे रहना है, बट
Mm-hmm.
स्टिल देयर इज अ पॉपुलेशन। और सिंस उनके रीजंस भी हो सकते हैं, कई बार
Mm-hmm.
क्या होता है कि उनके रीजंस भी होते हैं। 130 करोड़ पीपल है इंडिया में, और आपको एक इलिटरेसी, नॉट एग्जैक्टली इलिटरेसी, बट एक क्या होता है कि मतलब वो अवेयर नहीं है उस चीज से कि
Mm-hmm.
इसके क्या इफेक्ट हो सकते हैं। और कुछ
Right.
मजबूर है,
Mm-hmm.
ठीक है, कुछ लोग मजबूर हैं कि जो डेली वेजेस पे वर्क करने वाले थे।
Mm-hmm.
गवर्नमेंट ठीक है हेल्प आउट कर रही है, बहुत ज्यादा अच्छे लेवल पे हेल्प आउट कर रही है, बट
Mm-hmm.
स्टिल 130 करोड़ से बहुत बड़ी अमाउंट है जिसमें से कोई तैयार नहीं था इसकी। ऐसा तो है नहीं कि हमें प्रिपरेशन करने का टाइम मिल रहा था कि एक साल
Mm-hmm.
से आपके ऊपर ऐसा कुछ होने वाला है आप प्रिपेयर करो, कुछ नहीं था, सब ऑल ऑफ द सडन हो रहा है।
Mm-hmm.
तो कहीं ना कुछ मिस आउट हो ही जाता है, क्योंकि सब ह्यूमन बीइंग्स ही हैं, चाहे वो पीएम हो, प्रेसिडेंट हो, कोई भी। सब ह्यूमन बींग्स।
Hmm.
तो बस मेरे को सिर्फ और सिर्फ फियर यही है, जो कि मेरे को लगता है कि लॉजिकल है, कि ये पैंडेमिक कैसे और कब खत्म होगा, इस चीज का मेरे को भी लॉजिकल आंसर कुछ नहीं मिल पा रहा।
ये फिर आई थिंक आधी से ज़्यादा इंडिया की जनता या वर्ल्ड की जनता का होगा. What is the exit? In fact, it was all over the news
For
today. I was
me,
watching. Yeah.
Mhm.
Go ahead. Go ahead. Go ahead.
Yeah. So for me, it is not like fear, but yeah, somehow that I am not in much into fitness and all. But yeah, I have got a fear. You can say fear or awareness. That is both the same point. Yeah. But yeah, I got like I have to be fit after it. This fear, this all lockdown thing will over. I have to be again go into fitness and go and be fit. So I don't know where from it came in this lockdown, but yeah, I got a something like feeling. Yeah, I am doing a wrong. I am not doing justice with my body, so I have to do that.
Fitness. What do you mean by fitness? You want to, lose weight
Physical fit,
or
yeah, physical fitness and plus mental fitness also somehow.
yeah, mental fitness. This is one of the things, that I hear a lot of time. I've seen people committing suicide, in the last 7 or 8 days, and then that's very disturbing, to be able to, commit suicide only because you think you have COVID, or, you're not able to sustain the lockdowns. That is one of the
For
things that
me,
people will realize eventually in the near future, how mental illness is, resulting in a lot of losses, economically and socially. Yeah, go ahead, go ahead. What's up?
so as you asked previous, no, कि, मतलब what kind of fear you are having like in this lockdown and all. So for me, it is one of the thing like how we have designed or prepared. कि, हाँ, this year is gonna to be scheduled to be, but for me, not going to achieve this goals. I know that is not for this year. It is not achievable again. So for
Mm.
me, it is kind of fear. कि again, I'm gonna lose it, or how when I'm gonna achieve those goals again, and how we have to prepare all over again for all those things. So that is one of the fear that I face. So yeah, that's also the most important thing that I am losing kind of thing. So yeah.
You know, what you said is, pretty much everybody is, that is partly media driven also, because you hear a lot of things about immunity. You have to be immune. Obviously, when you're
Mhm.
obese, when you put on weight or you're underweight, your immune system goes for a toss. Okay, so yes, it's pretty much media driven. You rightly said, things can go haywire if you're not fit, especially in times like these. But overall, what I think is, a lot of things, a lot of fears in life uh, are indirectly or directly, related to control. You know, you fear only
Yeah.
things which you're not able to control. You know, what Pradeep said is, I'm worried because I don't know when the vaccine would come, when the cure would come, which partly means is you don't know. You're not in control. You're not in control
Yeah,
when,
for sure.
you don't have a medicine, you don't have a cure, you don't have a, clear set of, you know protocols to be followed when, somebody gets infection. So control is one of the things. And because of the control, there are a lot of things which are uncertain in near future. And especially in, when economy and society at large is at a risk. I mean, why economy? Because you're not able to travel, you're not able to, you know go to the factories and start producing, and you're not in the offices. So that has pretty much, put us, people like us, in homes. And it is kind of forcing us to, accommodate a new way of working, which probably we have never experienced in our lives. Working from home was kind of a thing that I never wanted to do in my life. Okay, whenever people ask me in my office, I never, allowed them to take home the laptop and work from home, because I feel you miss out on team building. You're not able to concentrate on, work as a team as a whole. Okay, but slowly and steadily, I think people will realize the potential, including me. How things can change when you're forced to change. So beginning, in the beginning it was my fear, but I think I kind of have accepted this new way of working. So good or bad, I don't know. Maybe we'll figure out later. but this has been my fear. And of course, when you're losing business.
Yeah, I think this
mm,
lockdown has also taught us na, ki some things that we can do virtually. We don't have to be there. In positive side, ki everything has not to go. We have to go there. We can do some amount of work virtually also.
yes, virtual thing has always been there. We never actually took it seriously. It's like
Yeah,
only
that's
because the disease, we're forced to work virtually. Otherwise, think about it. Had this not happened, would you still want to sit at home and do your work from home? You won't, right? It's just
yeah,
because of a natural. Think of it as a natural calamity. You're forced to sit in your home and work. Okay, you don't want it, but you have to. Okay, so I don't know.
I think the
This habit change
the
will not.
fear.
Yeah,
Yeah, go ahead, go.
yeah. This habit change will not happen eventually. If you remember 2015, when suddenly there was a cash crunch and demonetization happened, a lot of people thought, because of this absence of cash, people start using wallets, and it'll continue for a long time. But what happened after 1.5 years, when the money came back in the markets again, nobody, in my opinion, I think most of the people who were using digital transaction, they came back to cash again. So changing habits in India is not that easy, you know. So especially in a country like ours, where digital acceptance is not that great. Even if you have geo phones and all the cheap data available to your disposal, you still actually do not want to change. That's a resistance. That's a natural resistance we Indians have. But what happens in countries, in Europe or in Australia, or in North America, South America, is something that we need to watch out for. How they cope up and how they come out of this COVID, and will they be able to adjust themselves into new social norms? Because in comparison to Southeast Asian countries, these Western countries are much more open. They've not been into a situation. They have been, they've been asked to do something forcefully. Don't compare China with or maybe a country in Europe. China and Italy are completely different. That's probably the reason why the disease had an outbreak in Italy initially. They did not want to stay home. They did not want to distance themselves from the people they love or they hang around with. So it will be very interesting to see how their way of working will change. You know. So yeah, that again, this is out of fear. So I don't know how sustainable will this be. And coming to your point, Utsav, I mean, in terms of fitness, I think yes, I see a lot of fitness apps, these days being advertised all around TikTok and Facebook. So I definitely see a surge in virtual fitness classes or virtual home fitness classes and so on and so forth. I myself had a subscription from Cult, and now I think they're slowly moving to an online classes kind of setup. So I see that happening. But yeah, good move. I mean, you definitely need to think about the mental health as well as the your physical health. Yeah, good point to start off with. But what do you think? The overall fear can achieve for you. Do you think fear is good for you, or fear is good for everybody else?
For me, fear like this is not good, but yeah, you have, yeah, fear is always good because suppose I have a fear that yeah, I have 5 lakh rupees and I have to achieve something in that. Otherwise, I have to go home. I have to sit home, and I will not able to achieve some goal.
Mm,
So if fear is of that kind, yeah, it is perfectly good and it should be in your life. Yeah, yeah, it will help you achieve your goal, I guess, because I always work like that. Yeah, because I always working like I have to achieve this target. I have of this much period of time. I have this much of facilities. What I can work around.
mm-hmm.
So for me, it always works.
Yeah, I mean certainly. I mean when you have I always say this: when your fear of failure actually overpowers your willingness to succeed, that's when things start to happen. You cannot be sitting at home and just fear everything. You somehow some some time. You just need to get out of your comfort zone, and take on things which you fear the most. And yeah, I mean, I think as a positive thing also, because that makes you take decisions in an exact fashion that you want it to be. So yes, fear
I
in that sense is good.
because I think if you don't have any fear, any kind of fear, then you will just sitting around home, okay, chill, watch Netflix and all. Because then you are thinking, okay, I can achieve my goal next year
Hmm.
because I have enough money to run around and I can sit around and fun and chill.
वो कंफर्ट
But
कंप्लेसेंसी है ना. आप डर मतलब डर आपको यू नो सही काम करने में
See,
मजबूर
I
कर.
want to interrupt.
Yeah,
Sorry, I
good.
want to interrupt. So I was listening to all these conversations with full concentration, and I would like to give a highlight or give a reply to each and every comment till now.
Yeah, yeah,
So
good.
सबसे पहले फियर को लेके, like as उत्सव said कि हमने जैसे जो इस साल प्लान किया तो मेरे को उस चीज का है कि यार नहीं, हम वो चीज अब अचीव नहीं कर पाएंगे, ठीक है. काइंड ऑफ इस टाइप का ही कुछ आंसर था कि इस साल हमारे कुछ प्लानिंग्स थी और वो सब अब कुछ डिसरप्ट हो गए, ठीक है.
sorry to interrupt. So many
तो
people have feeling like this. For me, it is like for us, it is like a business. For somebody, it should be like marriage. For somebody, it should be like anything.
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल बिल्कुल, I agree. The thing is why his answer is right with his perspective and mine perspective too. See, as you know, हमने हमारी बैंगलोर की जर्नी जस्ट स्टार्ट हुई थी 10th जनवरी को, और 2 मंथ्स भी नहीं हुए थे कंप्लीट, और हमें 2 मंथ से पहले ही हमें वहाँ से लाइक मेरे को उधर से निकलना पड़ा और उत्सव वहाँ पर फंस गया, ठीक है. मतलब 2 महीने हुए थे कि ठीक से हमें आदत हुई थी उस चीज़ की, क्योंकि हम एज अ फ्रीलांसर ही वर्क करते थे स्टार्टिंग से. तो जो चीज़ अभी लोग अडेप्ट कर रहे हैं, हम 7-8 साल से उस चीज़ में थे और हमने अडेप्ट करना शुरू किया था टीम वर्क और टीम कल्चर कि साथ बैठ के ऑफिस में कैसे काम करते हैं. सिर्फ 2 महीने हुए थे और हमारा ठीक है ट्रैक पर आने लगा था, सब कुछ एज प्लान चीजें चल रही थी. बट ठीक है, अब ये डिस्टर्ब हो गया सारा कुछ. अब यहाँ पे 2-3 पॉइंट्स हैं, जैसा उसके बाद बात हो रही थी कि इससे हमें क्या अडेप्ट करने को मिल रहा है, वर्क फ्रॉम होम लोग अडेप्ट कर रहे हैं. ऐसा टास्कॉम के एक्स प्रेसिडेंट ने भी परसों ये चीज़ बोली कि वर्क फ्रॉम होम इंडियन एटलीस्ट डिजिटल मार्केटिंग कम्युनिटी जो है, डिजिटल कंपनीज है, टेक कंपनीज बेसिकली, वो अच्छे से अडेप्ट कर रही है वर्क फ्रॉम होम. और उन्हें कई कंपनीज तो इनफैक्ट प्रोडक्टिव बता रही है कि वो टीम में ऑफिस में बैठ के कम काम कर पाती थी और रादर अभी ज्यादा कर पा रही है. कुछ कंपनी का ऐसा भी आउटपुट निकल के आ रहा है. और ये तो क्या है कि आपने सुना ही होगा, टेस्ला के ओनर इलॉन मस्क ने भी कहा है कि यू कैन अवॉइड मीटिंग्स, अगर जरूरी नहीं है और आपको कुछ कंट्रीब्यूट नहीं करना उसमें, आप मीटिंग्स अवॉइड करो, ठीक है. और ये चीज है, प्रोडक्टिविटी चाहिए होती है. और उसके बाद लाइक अभी सॉरी, नेक्स्ट पॉइंट आप कुछ कह रहे थे विकास भाई.
And I was just saying that fear, yeah, it lets you take the right. It lets you do the right thing in the right time. It also checks your efficiency. That's what I was saying. What
See,
Utsav was saying.
as Utsav said, like making a plan is good. कि हाँ मेरे पास $10,000 है, like 5 लाख रुपीज है, एल्स है ना, और मेरे को इस पीरियड ऑफ टाइम में ये अचीव करना है, अदरवाइज आई हैव टू गो बैक एंड सिट एट होम, राइट. ठीक है, वो चीज आई बिलीव अगर फियर की वजह डिसिप्लिन से हो, राइट. कि फियर क्या चीज है कि यार मैं अगर ये करूंगा तो ये ना हो जाए, क्योंकि हर चीज में आप फियर को अनटिल अनलेस अगर लॉजिकल नहीं है, ठीक है. बिल्कुल, अगर आप एक अमाउंट ऑफ मनी को गैम्बल कर रहे हो, वहां पर फियर हो सकता है, ठीक है, लॉजिकल है कि यार मैं कहीं सारे पैसे हार ना जाऊं, राइट. बट अगर आप पॉजिटिव चीज में भी अगर फियर आ जाएगा, अगर खुद सोचिए, अगर एक एंटरप्रेन्योर है या एक कोई किसी चीज का इन्वेंशन कर रहा है कोई चीज, ठीक है, मतलब इन्वेंशन एक रैंडम चीज होती है, कोई सोच के इन्वेंट तो नहीं करता कुछ, ठीक है. बट अगर कोई कुछ ऐसा नया कर रहा है, कोई कंपनी स्टार्ट कर रहा है, कोई एक नई मतलब प्लेनेट पे डेंट मारने वाली कोई चीज स्टार्ट कर रहा है, अगर वो फियर से करेगा वो काम नहीं हो सकता. और फियर से एक इंसान को फियर ये तो हो सकता है कि यार पता नहीं फर्स्ट वीक में मेरी सैलरी आए ना आए, ठीक है. एक जो जॉब करने वाला पर्सन होता है, ठीक है, जॉब करने वाले इंडिविजुअल्स हैं, उन्हें ये फियर हो सकता है कि यार अगर सैलरी नहीं तो मैं कैसे रन करूंगा अपने एक्सपेंसेस,
हम्म,
ठीक है। बट एक इंडिविजुअल जो ये सोच के निकला है कि मेरे को एक साल के अंदर लैम्बोर्गिनी कमानी है, जो ये सोच के निकला है कि मेरे को अपने साथ 1000 घरों का पेट भरना है, वो जस्ट ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ फियर वर्क नहीं कर सकता,
हम्म,
राइट। तो
yeah,
उस सेंस में फियर एक अलग चीज चली जाती है, बाकी इट्स ऑल अबाउट पर्सपेक्टिव। अगर किसी को कोई चीज, वो फियर हो, डिसिप्लिन हो, पैशन हो, कोई भी चीज जो जिसको पुश करती है लिमिटलेस जाने के लिए, वो पर्सपेक्टिव होता है, राइट।
mm, mm. No, of course, what you're saying is correct. I mean, yes, fear differs from person to person. For a person who's working in a company as an employee, the fear is different. For the person who owns the company, the fear is completely different, you know. But eventually, yeah, what you're saying is right. You cannot just start, something, or, you know, you cannot aim to achieve something if you have too much of fear, because it lets you down. It pulls you back.
या
I
या फॉर
understand.
श्योर।
Yeah. Interesting. But तुम्हें क्या लगता है कि I mean fears is good for you? Has it done good for you, or has it really spoiled things for you? What do you think?
फिगर को अगर बिल्कुल पर्सनल लाइफ से मैं अपने इम्प्लीमेंट करूँ, मतलब अपनी इस कॉन्वर्सेशन को इम्प्लीमेंट करूँ अपनी पर्सनल लाइफ से,
Hmm.
तो एज सच मेरे को कोई ज्यादा फियर रहे नहीं, और
Okay.
फियर रहे भी हैं तो मैंने कोशिश की है ओवरकम करने की, और उसका कोई बहुत ज्यादा वास्ट इफेक्ट मेरी लाइफ पे नहीं पड़ा।
Mm-hmm.
अब तक ऐसा कोई वास्ट इफेक्ट नहीं पड़ा। लाइक ये टू भी वेरी रैंडम एक थॉट होती है, और हो सकता है कई लोगों के माइंड में आती है, जैसे मेरे को आता है कि यार कि मैं अपनी फैमिली के बिना कैसे रह पाऊंगा कभी,
Mm.
कि मैं अपने मॉम डैड के बिना कैसे रह पाऊंगा कभी।
Mm.
लाइक रह पाऊंगा, लिटरली रह पाऊंगा नहीं, ऐसा नहीं है कि एक घर में, वो तो मैं अभी भी सेपरेट ही रहता हूँ। बट एक फियर होता है कि यार हाँ 20 साल बाद कि मेरे मॉम डैड नहीं होंगे तो क्या होगा। ऑब्वियसली वो तो एक चलता आ रहा है, जो प्रोसेस है
No,
वो वैसे रन
fear
होती है।
also it also changes over a time. You know, right now the kind of
हाँ
setup you
बिल्कुल
are
बिल्कुल
in, the
फॉर
kind
श्योर।
of things that you're doing in your life, it changes every, the fear that I had 10 years back is very different from what fears I have today. 5 years back, the fears that I have, they're non-existent, you know. So,
या फॉर श्योर। आई वाज लाइक पर्सनली बात हो रही है तो आई वाज अटैच्ड टू अ पर्सन, और मेरे को लगता था देयर वाज वन फ्रेंड ऑफ माइन, गुड फ्रेंड ऑफ माइन, मेरे को लगता था कि मैं लाइक अगर वो नहीं होगा मेरे साथ तो मैं कभी कैसे रह पाऊंगा। लाइक मैंने इमेजिन नहीं करी थी अपना, इनफैक्ट अपने 10 साल क्या, मैंने अगले 10 दिन भी इमेजिन नहीं करे थे उसके बिना। देयर वाज अ फ्रेंड ऑफ माइन।
mm,
तो बट ठीक है, विद एज, नॉट जस्ट एज, विद लाइक योर माइंडसेट चेंजेस एंड यू अडेप्ट द थिंग्स। अडेप्ट करना पड़ता है अगर लाइफ को आगे बढ़ाना है, मूव ऑन करना है चीजों से, तो आपको अडेप्ट करना पड़ता है। तो
mm,
या यू आर एब्सोल्युटली राइट कि इट चेंजेस विद टाइम, टाइम टू टाइम एंड माइंडसेट टू माइंडसेट इट वेरीज एंड चेंजेस।
right. So I think yes, on a, just to summarize, yes, fear lets you do things, perfectly. Fear also lets you think, negatively sometimes, but you also of fear sometimes, or the fear keeps on changing over a time period in your lifespan. So yeah, I think this is pretty much uh, prevalent right now, especially people who are in our industry. Sometimes they think, okay, work from home will not affect our digital business because we are online, but that's not the case. Supply is disrupted for a lot of our clients, so I don't think this would be
फॉर
the
श्योर
good,
फॉर श्योर।
way of thinking. There are businesses like e-commerce, online service providers whose business have been disrupted. I don't know how things will. So instead of saying it as a fear, this is pretty much like an uncertain time. But yes, if I talk about the positives, yeah, these kind of things have happened, before also. Humanity has seen a much worse situation than what we are in right now. So yes, uh, I expect a good rebound. You know, yes, the demand is all time high, but that's because we are in we're keeping ourselves from going out. It's not because we don't have money. At least people who are in middle segment or maybe upper middle class or higher class, they have money but they're not able to go out. So I see the consumption is going up. Of course, this will take time. It will take at least 5 to 6 months post the lockdown to be able to get that normalcy. Of course, there is, and this will only be possible if we have some kind of treatment plan or a vaccine. Okay, but yes, expect to get a good rebound. We don't need to necessarily believe in whatever the economic, these expert would say. Yes, they are there for a reason, but you know you cannot actually predict it. Whatever model they put forth, you cannot actually predict the human behavior. Also, whatever reports that you read, I don't think we have to unnecessarily believe and fear something that is unknown. you know so
Yeah.
if I would suggest, I mean, let's take it one day or 1 week or a 1 month at a time and see how things are unfolding. Yes, we'll have to make some adjustment. We have to probably evolve as a person or as a team or as a company. But that's what the challenges are for companies who evolve. Teams or people who evolve are eventually actually the people who will stay in the business, or they deserve to be in the business. you know so
Yeah.
yes, I see things changing very
One
soon.
point I want to add, matlab in fear, I think the fear fears you more when you think about like what I will do when I will achieve that goal, what I will what are my plannings when I achieve that, how I will build a team after that, or suppose for in my case, it's
Mhm.
like that.
Hmm.
When you think ki, if I achieve this, okay, I will take a bigger office, or I will create a new thing. Then I will set this record and I have to do that. Suppose for a person, you think about, yeah, after this person I have to live with person, I have to get married with this person. So you have already imagined it, and after it, when you know ki it is not gonna happen, it fears you a lot, I
That's
guess.
okay. I'll tell you from my experience. I've seen many setbacks in last 5 or 6 years since the time I started the business. I've seen times wherein we did not have even money to last for 2 months. And suddenly you are panicky, you are out of ideas, you don't have enough money at the bank, plus you have very small team. Back then in 2016 we were a team of 3 people, and I clearly remember we had about 45,000 rupees in the bank. And that time even I was not paying myself some salary. So I clearly knew that we can only survive for 3 months. If we don't get business, we will not be able to outlast those 3 months. So, and we used to at that time I used to work really hard. I was the only person who knew the business inside out. So the best part is I knew my numbers, I knew what had to be done. So that kind of fear, when you have that kind of fear, I think for some people the efficiency actually increases. you know
Yeah, that's what I told before. Na, ki when I know ki I have 5 lakh rupees, for example, and I know I have this much of period time of a time
Yeah.
that I can give on, and
Yeah.
for me it is like a booster. Ki, हाँ, I have to do this anyhow, otherwise I have to go home.
so yeah, I mean, if I were in your place I would probably think the same thing. You guys are pretty young, and you know a lot of things which probably any newbie would not know. You guys are experts in e-commerce. You guys know how to sell. You guys know how to handle the logistics, packaging, and everything inside out. And having been done that for a long time, I think you guys have special skill. And once you have the skill how to run the business, I don't think you have to worry a lot about what the market says or what the market will eventually be. You can always make some adjustments and come back as a stronger company or a stronger team. So just focus on the basics right now. Okay, do not get carried away by whatever you read or whatever you hear from other businessmen. Their experiences, your experience can be completely different.
Yeah,
Yeah,
for
so
sure.
I think that's pretty much it. I think we've already discussed most of the things that we want to discuss.
So
And
I have a last question for you.
yeah,
So idea around from here. So you are managing a team of like 40, 50 people right now. So you have a fear like everybody is giving their 100% or not from their home. What I will do if they are not giving, or business is coming very low nowadays. So what is your advice to somebody who is managing a team like you or somebody around it?
So for a person who's handling, let's say, 30, 40 people or bigger teams, the if I talk about myself, my primary concern is the health of all the people, mental and physical. Okay, they have to be in perfect shape to be able to deliver. Okay, and that's pretty much like a humanitarian thing that I'm saying. But uh, if you take care of the people, people will eventually take care of your business. So also, if they put their 100% or not, is there's no bar. You cannot measure it, is especially when you're working online. So you also have to, in present times, you also have to manage their mental health. So you have to keep on engaging them, talk to them personally. So I myself have given almost calls to everybody personally for almost like 15-20 minutes to every. I called everybody, just to check how they're doing, how they're keeping up, how the families are. So yes, there is a fear. How will these guys contribute? Because most of the people, some of them have joined us in the last month and they have not worked with us. You know, so that's the fear. But I think we'll overcome this as a team and become better in near future. Okay, so the suggestion was this: just stick around, talk to your team daily, and keep a check on everybody's health, mental and physical. Yeah, that would be the advice. And eventually,
Nowadays, communication is the key. If we are communicating with each other, it will be fine.
yeah. Okay, so that sums it up now. I think we have less than a minute before this shuts down itself. Let's end it here, and I'll stop the recording now. Okay, see you then in the next call.
So
Sure.
this conversation was better than expected.
Yes, it was.
And yeah,
Okay, I'm positive.
thank you for your support.
Yep, yep.